two ways to talk about sleep, right? Now, the word you will learn at school very likely is dormir. Dormir. It's a very good word to practice the pronunciation of the letter R, like r, r, r. It's really, think about you have something stuck here, like you're choking on something and you're trying to spit it out. It's gonna be like dormir, dormir. To sleep, dormir. That's the normal formal way. And then you have the informal way, the slang one is like pioncer. Pioncer. Not pioncer, not pioncer, pioncer. Pioncer. Dormir, pioncer. Dormir, dormir, pioncer. How do you say my grandparents? My grandparents. You say mes grands-parents. When you express the plural, it goes like mes. Not mon, not ma, mes grands-parents. So how do you say, now you know like how to say brother and sister, frère, soeur. How do you say my big brother or my big sister, right? You say mon grand frère. Mon, because it's masculine, we say mon. Grand, because it's masculine again. Frère, okay? And then for the feminine part, my big sister, you say ma. The feminine is ma. Grande, there's a final E at the end of any feminine adjective. Grande sœur. Mon grand frère, ma grande sœur. Mon grand frère, ma grande sœur. Grande. See? Mon grand, ma grande. Notice the difference? Mon grand frère, ma grande sœur. I talk a lot. How do you say my parents? You say mes parents. My parents, mes parents. Mes, because it's plural, mes parents. Parents. How do you say my brother? You say mon, it's masculine, so mon frère. 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 Mon frère. How do you say my sister? My sister. You say ma sœur. Sœur. The final is very brief and short. Ma sœur. Ma sœur. Ma sœur. How do you say my mother? My mom. You say ma mère. Ma mère. Not ma mère, not ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. Ma mère. How do you say my father? My dad. My father. You say mon père. Not mon père. Père. No. You know the French letter R specific? Mon père. Père. How do you say my daughter? Daughter. You say ma fille. Ma fille. 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 It's pretty simple. You don't pronounce the final E. It's fille. Fille. How do you say my son? My son. You say mon fils. And not mon, say mon. Mon. O and N makes mon. Mon fils. Fils.